Hello everybody and welcome to my 60-second VBA 2010 tutorial. And this tutorial is going to show you how to include attachments on your emails when you send them through VBA. So I just want to quickly show you if you don't want to use the references for Microsoft Outlook, so I haven't got it activated here, you can just declare these as objects and object, and then when you do this bit, don't put new, put create object, and then put the Outlook application in brackets. And what this allows you to do is it just means that you don't have to tick that reference, and it means that if you send it on to anyone else, then they won't have to worry about the reference being ticked either. So if you're sending it out to a lot of people, I found that generally this way is better. The disadvantage is when we're using our dot, etc., you don't actually get any prompts, and also it's more efficient if you're using the reference library in certain cases. But this I generally use just because it resolves quite a lot of problems when you send it out to lots of people. So let's just update this to my actual email, because I changed it to email at server for the when I saved it as an example. Hotmail.co.uk. When I mention examples, if you go onto the website that you can get to by being on any one of the videos, or go into my channel page and then going onto the official website, and when it loads up, just scroll down underneath any of the videos and click on this download button, and it will download in a zip file all of the tutorials that I've been doing for you. So that's really useful. If you want to be looking at the code as you go along, then feel free. So if we want to add an attachment in now, then before we send it, just go to dot attachments and then dot add, and then you want to put in the file path of the file you want to add in. So I'm just going to add in this workbook.path ampersand backslash ampersand this workbook.name. So I'm going to send the workbook that I've got open. So before I do that, I'm also just going to go this workbook.save. And then I'm going to press play on this, and it's going to try and send an email again, and I'm going to wait for it to load up, and then I'm going to press allow, and then when I go onto my email on here, and I'll have a beautiful new email through from myself, and it will have the tutorial 62 example file. And apparently Ross is ready and is going to go onto Xbox, which is great. And you can it will have that attachment. You can keep adding them, you can add as many as you want, and you don't have to only attach Excel files or the current file. You can put in any directory in there any directory that you can attach to an email file. So that's how you attach files. And that's going to be it for this tutorial, and also going to be it on sending emails. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you would control other applications using send keys and app activate. So thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you soon.